Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Summer is here and we all tend to have something cool in our throats all the time. But instead of being healthy, we always crave for cool drinks or some aerated drinks or ice creams. But let us keep our bodies healthy and cool with this Aam Panna this summer. If you have this at least twice a week, you will be so healthy and it's also refreshing. So all we need is raw mangoes over here. I've shown you 4, but I have taken 2. For 2 raw mangoes, you can prepare 2 liters of Aam Panna juice. So all you need is, you need to take the tops of the mango and also peel the outer cover, that is the green peel of the mango, and this is how it looks. Now start chopping the mangoes into pieces. You don't need it to chop into fine pieces. First cut the edges, all the 4, and then the remaining part, the seed in the center, you will be having, just scrape it with the knife and then you will be remained with the seed like this. So continue with the second mango also in the same process, and that's it. Your pieces of mango or chopped mangoes are ready. Now take a pressure cooker and add all the chopped mangoes into the pressure cooker and just add 2 glasses of water. That is, here this is teacup, so 2 teacups of water, and add a tablespoon of dry ginger powder. If you don't have dry ginger powder, add a little bit of ginger into it, just chopped ginger, that's good. Now allow to get whistles, 2 whistles, and then after you get 2 whistles, see the pulp or puree you will be getting in this texture. Now cool it and then add all the pressure cooked mango pieces into the mixie jar. Do not add all the water from the pressure cooker, just add one glass of water and put aside the remaining water. Now add 1 cup of sugar and then 1 full cup of mint leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and a little bit of salt to taste, and blend it into fine puree. See, this is the perfect consistency of Aam Panna, like this. Now you can refrigerate this for 1 to 2 weeks and serve it whenever you like it. That's it. Take a glass and add ice cubes into it, and add the thick or concentrated Aam Panna into the glass. Add again a fresh mint leaves into it. Now add chilled or cool water into it and serve it. Trust me, you will enjoy this summer. Hope you like this video. Thank you.